Hey Z, you're about to get an upgrade. What's up guys? So shout out to Feal. They built these and they sent it out to us literally in a day. So shout out to them. These are the first Feals and actually I think the first coilover install on a new Z. So we are very excited. Keep your eye out for all the other things coming out. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get to it. We're gonna have Sheldon open it up and I'm gonna be the camera guy. I always love their packaging. Always comes so just...
It's like literally perfect. It didn't move the whole time it moved.
Look at that. Let's go. So, Feals on the new Z. Hell yeah.
Swift springs.
Swift springs, yep. We went with their 441 Plus option. Ooh-wee. Look at that. I love it.
So
I'm so excited. Alright, we're ready. Let's get him out. Push it right in. Clean. Almost has 1,000 horsepower. Really good in there, man. So good. Isn't it crazy how it,
supposed to be in there.
isn't it crazy how 370Z coilovers bolt right on the new Z. And I don't want to hear nobody calling it a 400Z because it's not a 400Z. It's not, right? And I'm going to tell you guys why it's not. I believe Nissan is going out with a bang. This is the last Z, new Z, you guys will ever see. In 10 to 12 years, it's all going to be electric. So I think Nissan named it Z. Nissan named it Z. Because this is the last Z. And because of all the other amazing Zs, that's why they made the 300ZX rear. And then the full frame practically. 280s in the front. So
I can see like literally resemblances
of everything, huh? That's kind of like tribute to pretty much all the Zs.
This is like a spitting image of the HR hood.
Yeah, just a little bit more like pumped up, huh?
It's like crispier.
Ooh, look at this beautiful 4-cylinder.
What?